How to share a screen on video call Instagram. It's quite easy and simple to share the screen on video call Instagram. Just you have to go ahead and open the Instagram application and then try video calling someone. But before proceeding towards the video, make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. For that, go and open the Play Store application where at the top you need to search for Instagram. As you can see that there is no any update button next to Instagram, and we can see from here that I already have updated my app. If you haven't, then you will get the update button where you have to tap on it and easily update your app. And then let's select the open button. Once you open the Instagram application, make sure you have signed in on your app. And then tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of the screen to video call someone. And here you need to select any person that you would like to video call. So when you open the chat, you need to tap on the video call icon at the top right corner of the screen and try video calling this person. So as you can see that we don't see any share screen button here because this person has not yet received our call. So as soon as someone receive our video call, then you will get the option of two cards icon at the bottom center of the screen where you will get the option of share screen. Simply you need to tap on that two cards where you will find the option of share screen. You can simply open it and tap on the share screen and then easily share your screen on video call on the Instagram. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe our channel and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel.